Hello everyone! Traffic at this intersection seems perfectly normal, but as we can see, the rainy weather is making things unpredictable. Look closely at the road conditions. It's extremely slippery out here, and the situation is getting dangerous. Suddenly, the white car loses traction and starts drifting out of its lane right toward the truck. Now watch as the vehicle in the adjacent lane has no time to react, leading to a direct collision. It is a relief that everyone is safe despite such a violent crash. This is a clear reminder of how critical it is to stay alert and drive with caution on wet, slippery roads. This clip is a stark reminder of how a single careless move on the highway can lead to disaster. Watch closely as the black car attempts to merge right without checking its blind spot. The red car cruising in the middle lane is forced to swerve right to avoid a collision, causing the driver to lose complete control. Due to the high speed, the car slams violently into the divider, likely resulting in serious injuries to the driver. The black car is entirely at fault here for failing to yield. Always check your mirrors and blind spots before changing lanes. Stay alert, everyone. People often think rushing on the road will get them to their destination faster, but this clip proves exactly why that's dangerous. The truck carrying a heavy pipe load was moving steadily along the highway when suddenly another truck attempted a reckless U-turn right in its path. The driver had no chance to react, and the impact was so violent that the cabin was completely crushed. Looking at the wreckage, the situation appears extremely critical, and bystanders immediately rushed to help. One wrong decision turned everything upside down in a heartbeat. This tragic incident is a stark reminder of the immense responsibility required when operating heavy machinery. Always prioritize safety over speed. Ride safe. Merging into highway traffic can be extremely risky, as shown here. The white car attempted to merge, but the truck driver failed to adjust speed or create space. While both share some fault, the truck driver holds more responsibility due to the nature of their vehicle. The impact was significant, likely causing injuries to the white car's driver. Always check your blind spots before merging and leave ample space for heavy vehicles. Both drivers made a huge mistake at this intersection. The silver car entered before its signal turned green, and the dashcam vehicle accelerated through a yellow light instead of stopping. They collided right in the middle because neither was willing to wait. Yellow lights are meant for stopping, not racing. Always wait for your signal to turn green before entering. Drive safely. Racing on the road can have deadly consequences, as this clip clearly shows. You can see two cars aggressively racing through normal traffic. When one made an abrupt cut, the second one tried to follow without maintaining a safe distance. This recklessness led to a hard collision with the lead car's rear, causing it to spin out of control. Remember, the road is not a racing track. Please prioritize safety and never endanger yourself or others. Drive carefully, and I'll see you in the next one. Stopping in the middle lane, especially in fog, is a deadly mistake. The lead car was stationary on the highway, making it invisible to the oncoming truck until it was too late. The small car driver is at fault for blocking a high-speed lane in poor visibility. The truck driver had no time to react. If your car breaks down, try to reach the shoulder and use warning signs. Uncontrolled intersections are where most drivers lose focus. In this clip, both drivers should have exercised caution, but the black car attempted to turn without yielding to oncoming traffic. Without traffic lights, the rule is simple. You must yield to vehicles already in or approaching the intersection. The black car driver's impatience caused this avoidable collision. At these spots, your alertness is the only thing standing between safety and an accident. Always slow down, look both ways, and ensure the path is clear before moving. Road sense saves lives. At uncontrolled intersections, caution is your best safety. Here, the black car entered without yielding, and the white car didn't slow down. Both share fault for lacking awareness, but the black car failed its primary duty to yield to main road traffic. These spots require extra vigilance. Always slow down and check your surroundings. Remember, patience saves lives. Drive responsibly, stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.